Srinivas Ramanujan. At the outset, on behalf of the LRDAV family, I would like to extend a hearty welcome to the esteemed guest of the day, Dr. Nityananda Senapati Sir, retired leader in mathematics, Redensa University. Sir, I welcome you. It's my immense pleasure and gratitude to welcome our quiz master, Revered Mr. Niharanjan Bhuiya Sir, in charge DAP Padmavati, Tangi. Sir, we welcome you. Behind this mega event, esteemed principal of our institution, Mr. Niranjan Swanson. I feel delighted to welcome all the participants and the expert teachers from DAV institutions of Bhubaneswar and the participants. I would also like to extend a warm welcome to department members from both the schools, LRDAV and DAV SCB Public School, and all the members who are directly or indirectly associated with this mega event to make it a grand success. Welcome, dear audience. Now may I request all the participants to give a brief introduction about themselves. Let's begin with Group 1. They are from LRDAV Public School.
Hello everyone, I am Yasas Manthi of class 11, LRDAV Public School.
Thank you. Then we are having Group 2 from DAV Public School, Chandrasekhar Bhubaneswar.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Shubham Swapnil Das of Standard 11.
Nice day to you everyone. I am Ansuprit Datta from DAV Public School, Chandrasekhar.
Then we are having Group 3, DAV Public School, Unit 8, Bhubaneswar.
Good afternoon everyone, this is Prakash Kumar Swami from DAV. And my name is Varun Mishra. A very good afternoon to everyone.
Thank you so much. Then we are having Group 4, DAV Public School, Kalkutta, Bhubaneswar.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Satyam from DAV Kalinga.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Piyush Priyadasi Panda from DAV Kalinga.
Thank you dear participants and wish you all the best. And start the most awaited Mega Mathematics Quiz Contest 2021. Sir, before the commencement of quiz contest, let's have a huge round of applause for our participants.
Good afternoon everyone. Before we start the quiz contest, let me to take the permission from the chief guest of the today's program. Sir, can we start the program? Thank you. Thank you. So, first of all, I want to give my sincere thanks to LRDAV Public School for giving me a chance to host the program, and I want to say all the best to my dear young friends. So they are the filtered and the best student. They are selected through the screening test. So we found the best bulk of students. The students, today we are going to start the final round of the mega quiz, which is observed on the occasion of National Mathematics Day. And here we are having 4 teams. Let me to say, the winner team will get a cash prize of 5,000. The second team will get a cash prize of 3,000. And the third team will get the cash prize of 2,000. Only one team will be eliminated. Okay? So before we start the quiz, let me to clarify some of the rules. There will be 4 rounds. The first round is the bonus round. Bonus round means it will be a carry forward round. So, in the first round, we have not given any option. Only one question will be there. You have to solve it within 60 seconds and tell the answer. If your answer is wrong or you are unable to answer within 60 seconds, it will pass to the next team. For each correct answer, you are going to get 10 marks, and if it is passed to the next team, the bonus mark will be 5 marks. Suppose A is unable to answer, group 1 is unable to answer, it will pass to group 2, and group 2 has answered the question, they will get a 5 mark bonus, and after that the question will again start from group 2. Is that clear? The next thing is, here we have made the system very flexible. We are going to show you the question numbers. You choose your number. As per your number, we have made a hyperlink and the question will come as per your number. That does not mean the first team will get the first question, the second team will get the second question. As per your choice, it is very flexible, okay, and very authenticate, because you are going to choose your destiny. You are going to choose your question. Okay, so in the first round, we are not having any option. It is a carry forward round called as bonus round. Each correct answer will be awarded as 10 marks. Each wrong answer and the bonus answer will be awarded as 5 marks. There is no negative mark. In the second round, it's a visual round where the carry forward system is not there because we have given you the options. Okay? Once we are giving you the options, when the first team will give the wrong answer, then the probability will decrease. So, carry forward system is not there. You may answer it, but you are not going to get any bonus mark. Only in the first round, bonus mark is there. In the second round, visual round. In the third round, puzzle round. And in the fourth round, rapid fire round, there is no bonus mark. Is it clear? And each question carries 10 mark, but in rapid fire round, each question carries 5 mark. The rapid fire timing is 90 seconds or 1.5 minutes. We have tried our label test to make the question very short. Okay? Time specific. If you are unable to answer, simply you say pass so that we can go to the next question without wasting the time. There we are having 7 questions. 7 questions, 90 seconds. Okay, so accordingly you divide the time, and in that round each question carries 5 marks. Okay? And for audience, we are saying in every round we have kept 5 questions. 4 will be chosen by the 4 teams, and the question which is not taken by the team members or the group member will go to the audience. If from the audience anyone will give the correct answer, there are some consolation prize for you. Okay? So participants, are you ready for the first round? So first of all, I should say everybody should give a big round of applause to all the students for starting this quiz. Let us go to the first round, which is bonus round. So go to the next slide. So in the bonus round, you can see on the screen there are 5 questions. Question is not visible to you. Okay? You have to choose your number. First I will say group 1, choose a number between 1 to 5. Which question you want to answer?
3.
Question number 3. So may I request to open question number 3 and see. The question number 3 is, what will be the reflection of point 4 comma minus 7 when reflected about y plus 2 is equal to 0 or y is equal to minus 2? And your time starts now. 60 seconds will be given to you. Within 67 seconds, do not be in a hurry. We are having a time. Within 60 seconds, you can answer. I request other group members, group 2, 3 and 4 to calculate, because it is a bonus round. It will be a carry forward round. 43 seconds left. What will be the reflection of point 4 comma minus 7 when reflected about y is equal to minus 2? Last 25 seconds. 4, comma 3. May I request to stop the timer and show the answer. The answer is 4, 3, correct answer, and they are awarded plus 10. So the starting is good. Now come to the back, and already one question is chosen, so nobody can choose the third question. It is already taken. Now I request the group 2 to choose a question between 1, 2, 5, 4.
Question number 5.
Question number 5. Okay, open question number 5. 2. What is the largest power of 2 that divides 127 square minus 1? And your time starts now. What is the largest power of 2 that divides 127 square minus 1? 45 seconds left. So you have to tell the largest power
2
of
to the power 8.
2 to the power 8 is the correct answer. Very good, and you have got 10 points. So there is a plus 10 to group 2 who are from DAV Sirspur. Now we go to the third group from DAV Unit 8, and for you the question, which number you want to select?
1.
Question number 1. So now I request to open question number 1. What will be the unit digit? 2 power 333 minus 333. And your time starts now. What will be the unit digit? You have to tell the last digit. Unit 3 minus 333. Very good, the correct answer is 9. The correct answer is 9, so there is a plus 10 to DAV Unit 18, Group 3. Okay, fourth question, and the last question of this round is for DAV Kalinganagar, Group 4. Which question you want to choose? Question
2.
Question number 2. Okay, the question is, what will be the remainder when 45 to the power 106 is divided by 7? And your time starts now. What will be the remainder? You have to tell the remainder only. Remainder when 45 to the power 106 is divided by 7. 45 to the power 106 divided by 7. Apply the trick. Last 25 seconds. Stop the timer. The answer is wrong. It will wait. It will pass to the first round. First group. Group 1, can you answer? Be fast.
4.
4 is the correct answer, and there is a plus 5 bonus to the first team. So sorry, the answer is 4. Okay, I request you to explain. Can you explain why the answer is 4?
Sir, first of all, I wrote it in the format 42 plus 3
Yes.
to the power 106 by 7. Then I broke it to the format 3 to the power 106 by 7. Then sir, 9 to the power 53 by 7, 2 to the power 53 by 7. So 2 square by 7 will be the remaining. So the 4 by 7 is the answer.
Okay, good. So you have gone through some difficult method, but okay, the answer is correct. There are different methods. You want to tell the another method? Same method. Okay, fine. Now the question is for the audience. One question left. That is the last question for the audience. So please see the question or listen to me. It is not for you, my dear friends. What will be the sum of all 3-digit numbers formed by 135? Repetition is not allowed. The main is allowed, and the time starts now.
1 second, you tell the question.
What will be the sum of all 3-digit numbers formed by 135? sum of all 3-digit numbers formed by 135, but repetition is not allowed. Sum of 3-digit numbers formed by 135. Yes?
1016.
Sorry, wrong. Yes?
963.
Give it to the girl.
Is it 2047?
No?
Sir. 1698.
No, sorry, we cannot give you more chance.
1998.
1998 is the correct answer. 1998 is the correct answer. So we can have some. I request Prabhakar sir, if you are having any small, we can have some chocolates or we can have some pens. Okay, there is a very small gift for you. You tell your name.
Ananmay Chaudhary.
Thank you very much.
School name, class.
The school name is LRDAV class 7.
Very good. Congratulations.
So now we go to the second part of the first round. First round has 3 parts. Again, in second part, we are having 5 questions. Can you have all the 5 numbers? So you have to choose the numbers randomly as usual. Same rule. Okay? The next question is for group 2.
Question 1.
Question number 1. Question number 1. Can you have the question number? In how many different ways 4 letters can be put in 4 envelopes? Try to understand. In how many different ways 4 letters can be put in 4 envelopes such that none of the letter will go to the right place? In how many ways 4 letters can be put in 4 envelopes such that none of the letter will go to the right place? "38 seconds left. "30 seconds. 4 letters will be arranged in 4 envelopes so that none of the letter will go to the right place.
Sir, 15.
Stop the timer. 15 is, you have not listened the question properly, where none of the letters will go to the right place. So answer is wrong. We are going to pass it to the next team. 9 is the correct answer. 9 is the correct answer, and there is a +5 to DAV Unit 8. +5 to DAV Unit 8. Again, the question is for the Group 3 DAV Unit 8. Choose a number between 3, 4 and 5. 3. Okay. Listen to the question carefully. How many 4-digit distinct even numbers? Listen. Distinct. Repetition is not allowed. How many 4-digit distinct even numbers are there using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? And your time starts now. How many 4-digit distinct? The word distinct is there. Repetition is not allowed. You have to tell me how many 4-digit even numbers can be formed by using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4-digit distinct even numbers. "28 seconds.
420.
420 is the correct answer. Very good. 420 is the correct answer. And again there is a plus 10 to group 3 DAV unit 8. Thank you. The last question. Next question is for group 4 DAV Kalinganagar.
4.
Question number 4. The question is, listen to the question, then we'll start the timer. In how many different ways a student can choose 5 combinations out of 9, where C1 and C2 means first and second combination are compulsory, and C6 and C8, sixth and 8th combination cannot be taken together. So you have to tell me the total number of ways. Your time starts now. In how many different ways a student can choose 5 combinations out of 9, where C1 and C2 are compulsory, C6 and C8 cannot be taken together. Last 20 seconds, be fast, otherwise it will pass to group 1. Last 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Can you tell the answer? Yes, right.
8.
Sorry. Stop. It will go to the first group.
40.
Yes?
40.
40 is the wrong answer. Group 2.
Yes, sir. Just wait.
Be fast.
No. Wait. Sir, 360.
No?
50.
No. The correct answer is 30. The correct answer is 30. Again, I request Prabhakar sir to give the explanation. You have to choose 5 subjects out of 9. You have to choose 5 subjects out of 9, out of which 2 are compulsory. So see the answer. You have to choose 5 subjects out of 9, out of which 2 are compulsory.
Okay. First C1 and C2 are compulsory. You have to choose 5 out of 9, but C1 and C2 are compulsory. So it can be done by how many ways? It is 9 minus 2 C 5 minus 2. Okay. 9 minus 2 C 5 minus 2, which is equal to 7 C 3, which is 35.
It is about the first part.
Okay.
And the
Now,
second part is C6 and C8 cannot be taken together.
in these 35 parts, you take, suppose this case, C3, C4, C5 are there, neither C6 nor C8 is taken. If someone will choose these 3, C6 is taken, but C8 is not taken. If you choose these 3, C8 is taken, but C6 is not taken. And if you take this, C6 and C8 both are taken. So you have to eliminate this case, means we choose 1 and 2 compulsory. Again, C6 and C8 will be taken together. So it will be 9 minus 4 C5 minus 4, that is 9 C1, that is 5 C1, that is 5. So 35 and exclude 5 ways in which C6 and C8 can be taken together. So it will be 35.
You are having some doubt.
Yes, sir. I have done a different. Sir, you see, the
Speak in mind. Okay, you want to tell some other method? Okay.
so the first two we can take C1 and C2, right? So C1 and C2 can be altered with their places, like C2 C1 or C1 C2.
No, because there is only combination. Taking mathematics, taking physics, taking mathematics, they are same, not different.
Okay. Okay.
Triangle ABC, triangle BCA.
Yes, thank you. The last question is for the audience. That is question number 5. There are 10 questions. For each question, there are 2 options, A or B. What is the number of ways in which a student can answer one or more questions? There are 10 questions. For each question, the timer starts now. There are 10 questions. For each question, there are 2 options, A or B. What is the number of ways in which a student can answer one or more questions?
For audience, you give more time. Because they are not meant to be prepared.
Okay, sir.
45.
45, no. 45.
Give double time. Huh?
Okay, sir, start the timer.
Is it 90?
Yes?
90. 90.
No. Not 90. Participant, can anyone answer? Either true, sorry, there are 2 options, A or B. Yes.
1024?
1024, no. You are saying 2 to the power 10.
So is it 40?
No, it is not 40. Question is, see, what is the number of ways in which a student can answer one or...
19?
It is not 19. You can skip the question also. You can skip the question also. You have not counted it. So your answer is partially correct but not completely correct. Okay, now come to the point. Student, the answer is 3 to the power 10 minus 1. No. Because sir, the question is, what is the number of ways in which a student can answer one or more questions?
Suppose question
The student-
number 1, there is A or B. So question is, how many different ways an examiner can attempt one or more question. For each question there are 3 options. He can answer A or B or he can leave the total question. So there are 3 ways for each question. There are 10 questions, it will be 3 to the power 10. And why I will subtract to 1? Because there will be one way in which you will left all the questions. You will left all the questions. Because it is given 1 or more. The left part is, you have to left all the questions. So that can be done by one way. The answer is 3 to the power 10 minus 1. If it is a true false question, then it will be 2 to the power 10 minus 1.
But this round is very difficult.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The timing is very short. Even the process is very lengthy.
If you listen the question little bit, but the question is little bit, we are going to the third part of the first round. So here, again we are having 5 questions. I request the first group to choose the question.
Question number 1.
Question number 1. Click on the question number 1. But here we are giving you 30 seconds. It is not a numerical question. You have to tell me the quotation. Give me a place to stand and I will move the earth. Told by which mathematician? Your time starts now. Give me a place to stand and I will move the earth. We have given you the option, so you have decreased the time.
John Kepler.
Stop. Wrong answer.
Sir, Archimedes.
Archimedes. So, correct answer is Archimedes, and there is, as it is a part of bonus round, we have. Huh? But okay. No, sir. Actually, what they are saying, it is a part of round 1. Round 1 is the bonus round. So in bonus round, Though you have given the question,
Earlier, just as the
in both
But they will not get paper, right?
Sari Singh, they will not get. Actually, the first round was the bonus round. So, why we have given the option? Because the codes may not be directly answered by the student. So, we have given the option and decrease the time parallelly.
What is written there?
Oh, the third. Okay, sir.
It is given to all the participants, the rules?
Yes, sir.
Then, right, then continue.
Go to the second question. Okay, next question is for you.
Question 3.
3. Question number 3. Question number 3. No employment can be managed without arithmetic. No mechanical invention are there without geometry. This is said by who? Employment can be managed without arithmetic. No mechanical invention are there without geometry.
PLD format.
Sorry, again, wrong answer. The correct answer is Benjamin Franklin. The correct answer is Benjamin Franklin. Next, third round.
Question number 2.
Question number
2.
2. Question number 2. Can we go to question number 2? Perfect numbers are like perfect men. Like perfect men, which are very rare. A, B, or C, or D.
Turing.
Sorry, wrong answer. The correct answer is B. The correct answer is B. The last one. You choose your question.
5.
Question number 5. Question number 5. It is not certain that everything is uncertain. This is said by which mathematician? It is not certain that everything is uncertain. A, B, or C, or D?
Option C.
Option C is wrong.
You ask to the audience.
From audience, anyone can say A, B, or C, or D? Isaac Newton, Blaise Pascal, Parity format, Benjamin Franklin.
Option B.
Option B, Blaise Pascal. Correct answer. And correct answer. The last question is also for the audience. Madam, go. The last question is for audience. Question number 4. The last question is question number 4 for audience. Where there is a matter, there is a geometry. Where there is a matter, there is a geometry. Told by which mathematician? Only will give one chance. Only will give one chance.
Option C.
Option C. Yes, option C is the correct answer.
Dakshin Chatterjee from DAB.
Yes, option C is the correct answer. So my dear friends, here we are at the end of the first round, and after the end of the first round, the score is like this. The score of group 1 is 15, the score of group 2 is 10, group 3 is 30, and the score of group 4 is 0. So group 3 is leading the team. There is a big round of clap for the group 3. But still there are lots of groups are there. One group, one correct answer can change the game. Even in rapid fire round, you can change the game. So do not. So keep going on. Now we'll go to the second group. Here I want to give a 30-second break. Then we'll go to the second group. And the second group is for visual round. We will show a mathematical symbol. You have to name it. Okay? We will show a mathematical symbol or geometrical symbol. You have to tell the name of the symbol. Okay? No option is given here. Here also we have not given any option. Only 30 seconds. Okay? Sir, we are not going to pass. Okay? We are not going to pass. Your question is your answer. If it is wrong, it will go to the audience. If it is wrong, it will go to the audience. But 30 seconds will give it to you. So, can you go to the screen? The questions, again, 5 questions will be there. So you have to choose the question. 30 seconds will be given to you. First group, question number 1. Question number 1. Question number 1. You have to identify the symbol. 30 seconds. Start the timer. You have to identify this symbol. Zeta is the correct answer. Zeta is the correct answer. So there is a plus 10. Zeta is the correct answer. There is a plus 10. Then the second group.
Question number 2.
Question number 2. Identify the mathematical symbol. Identify this mathematical symbol.
Eta.
Final answer. Sir, continue the timer. Because options are not there, so we can give you the time. You take your final answer. Still 11 seconds are there.
Sir, Eta.
Eta. Eta is the wrong answer and the correct answer is Jai. The correct answer is Jai. Next is the third question. Question number 4. Question number 4. Identify the symbol. For all is the correct answer. For all is the correct answer. Next. Question number 5. Start the timer. Very easy. The easiest one. 21 seconds left. Identify the symbol. Last 15 seconds.
Wait. Let me think.
Belongs to.
Sorry. Audience. Name the symbol. Yes, you can answer. Okay, give it.
Is it error?
Give it to her. Identify the symbol.
Is it fine?
Sorry. Last chance. Last chance. He had answered, madam, 2 to 3 questions. Okay.
Just a guess. 2, 9.
Sorry. Sorry, the last. Otherwise, I will tell the answer. This is the easiest question.
Exist.
Okay, it is partially correct, but still the student had tried. So the answer is there exist. The answer is there exist, but as it is partial correct, madam, we can give.
This is Mahathir from class 11 LRDV public school.
So this is the second part of the second group. Okay, second part of the second group. So here we have to find out the relationship in the form of Venn diagram. Relationship. Okay. So again the timing is 30 seconds. The timing is 30 seconds. You have to find the relationship. Only you have to tell A or B or C or correct answer. Okay, choose the question. Question number 4. So please go to question number 4. Which of the following diagram indicates the best relationship between, listen the question, factory, product, machinery. Start the time. Factory, product, machinery. Factory, product, machinery. Correct relationship. Factory, product, machinery. A or B or C or D? Wrong answer. Stop the timer. Wrong answer. Okay. I'm not going to give any mark, but anybody can answer. Anybody want to answer? Please raise your hand. Okay.
Sir, B.
Yes?
B.
B. B. Sorry. The answer is D. Factory, product and machinery. Yes. Factory, product and machinery.
Sir, sometimes the factory also uses product from other industries to produce their own product.
Exactly, sir.
Exactly. So,
Okay.
B can also be the answer.
We can also be the answer, sir.
Yes.
Because sir, some products can be of the same factory.
It has told to use the waste one.
Like milk factory, we are using milk from the farmers. Their product.
Okay, you are saying like B2B company.
Yes.
Okay. Sir? Okay, they are saying about the exceptional case, but still they are not telling the wrong answer. You are saying about in some cases the factory can also purchase. Okay, but okay, final. We are not going to give any mark, but the most appropriate out of this, the most appropriate is option number D. Okay, thank you. Next, you choose the question.
Question number 1.
Question number 1. Yes. Which of the following diagram indicates the relationship between traveler, train and boss? Traveler, train and boss.
Option C.
Option C, very good. Correct answer. Very good. Option C is the correct answer. There is a plus 10. There is a plus 10 to group 2. Option C is the correct answer. Now we go to the third question. Yes. You choose your question. Question number 2. Yes. Listen the question carefully. Which of the following diagram indicates the best relationship between profit, dividend and bonus? Start the timer. Profit, dividend and bonus. Relationship. Profit, dividend and bonus. B. Correct answer. B is the correct answer. So, whether it is dividend or it is bonus, it comes under profit. Correct answer. The next question is for 4 DAV Kalinganagar. Choose any question from question number 3 or 5.
3.
Question number 3. Yes. Which of the following diagram indicates the best relationship between women, mothers and engineers? Start the timer. Women, mothers and engineer. Women, mothers and engineer. Option A is the correct answer. There is a plus 10. There is a plus 10 to DAV Kalinganagar group 4. And the last question is for the students. Last question is for the student, but those who have not answered, please try. The question number 5. Which of the following diagram indicates the best relationship between author, lawyer and singer? Author, lawyer and singer, madam?
Sir, B.
B.
Option B.
Option B is the correct answer. Tell your name. Tell your name. Yes, you are saying the exception.
It is wrong. Question is wrong.
6.
Question is wrong. The 3 circles must intersect.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It should be D. Sir, it should be D, sir.
Yes.
D.
Yes?
D. Sir, there is no option.
No option is correct.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No options. It is like a.
Like some authors can be lawyers, some can be singers.
Yes, sir. Sir, there are no two combinations possible. Yes, sir.
In general, it is a general case. In general case, the authors are not the lawyers and the lawyers are not the singers. What do you want to say? In some cases, some authors can sing.
Razan Gogoi.
Okay.
We are under.
Okay. Okay, fine. So now this is the end of the second group and second round. Sorry, at the end of the second round, can we have the score, please? The score for the first group is 25. The score for the second group is 20. The score for the third group is 50. And the score for the fourth group is 10. So group 3, DAB Unit 8 is leading the game. So I request everyone to have a big round of applause for all the team members, not only the third group, for all the team members. Now we go to the third section or the third round, which is puzzle round. The third round is the puzzle round. Okay. The first sub round of the puzzle round. Here the timing is 1 minute. Okay? It is a CQ based question. So, but it is not carry forward. So you have to tell one answer. Okay? Try for it. You have to tell one answer. 60 seconds will be given to you. It's a puzzle round. And can you have the questions on the screen? So, group 1, choose a question.
The first question.
First question. Okay? First, everybody listen the question, then I'll start the timer because you may be confused. Some of the ambiguity may be there. First, listen the question properly, then we'll start the time. Question number 1. On which dates of April 2012 will a Sunday come? On which dates of April 2012 will a Sunday come? And your time starts now. April 2012. Student, please do not make noise. April 2012, Sunday. Final? Within the time you have to say final. We'll lock it.
Option C.
Sure. Option? Option C is the wrong answer. Option C is the wrong answer. Can you tell the right answer? We are not giving you the mark. Very good. The option is B. The option is B. If you calculate the leap year, the answer will be B. Next. The second question. Question number?
Question number 2.
Question number 2. Can you have the question number 2? If the National Day of a country was celebrated on the 4th Saturday of a month, National Day of a country was celebrated on the 4th Saturday of the month, then find the date of celebration when the first day of the month is Tuesday.
Option C, 26.
Very good. Very good. Plus 10. Plus 10 to group 2. Correct answer is 26. Very good. Next. The question is for group 3. Question number 4. Okay. Question number 4. in a year there were exactly 4 Friday and exactly 4 Monday in May. There were exactly 4 Friday and exactly 4 Monday in May. On what day of the week did 21st of May fall in that year? Start the time. 4 Friday, 4 Monday in May. On what day of the week did 21st May fall in the year? Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 4 Friday, 4 Monday. Second left. Stop the timer. C, final. C is the wrong answer. Yes.
Sir, D, Wednesday.
Okay. Yes. A Monday. Just calculate it. The answer will be A Monday. Okay. A Monday will be the correct answer.
Swam.
Question related to time. At what time between 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock will the hands of a clock be at right angle, means 90 degree? 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock will the hands of a clock be at right angle? Start the time. Between 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock, the hands of a clock will be at 90 degree, right angle.
Option A.
Option A is the correct one. Correct answer is option A. There is a plus 10 to group 4. And the last question is for the audience. At what time? You have not given the questions. Back, sir. Okay, leave it. We'll go to the next. Sir, wait. Don't go to the next.
Sir, there is one question for the audience.
Sir, freeze it and check. Okay, we are having some more questions for you. So students, this is the end of the second round, and after the second round, sir, lengthy. So we are giving you 67 seconds, but after you read the question, okay, read the option, we will start the time. Okay? So choose the question. Madam, in case they need the explanation, please. Okay? Can you have the screen? Choose a question.
Question number 3.
Question number 3. Aman is 60th from the left end in a row of boys, and Bibe is 18th from the right end. Gagan is 11th from Aman towards right, and 3rd from Bibe towards the right. So total, how many boys are there in the group? Option is 40, 42, 48 or none. And your time starts now. Just 15 seconds. Correct answer. None of these is the correct answer. And the total number of time will be 41. 41 is the correct answer. So answer is none. There is a plus 10. There is a plus 10 to group 1. Now the second question.
Question number 5.
Question number 5. Question number 5, yes. A result of survey of 1000 persons with respect to their knowledge of Hindi, English and Sanskrit is given below. What is the ratio of those who know all the 3 languages to those who do not know Sanskrit? Question is, sir, wait, sir, wait. What is the ratio of those who know all the 3 languages to those who do not know Sanskrit? The options are A 1 by 9, 1 by 10, 10 by 17 and 5 by 27. Your time starts now. Ratio of those who know all the 3 languages to those who do not know Sanskrit. The ratio. Ratio of those who know all the 3 languages and who do not know Sanskrit.
The 5 by 27, option D.
Very good. 5 by 27 is the correct answer. There is a plus 10. Plus 10 to group 2. Very good. So now the question is for group 3. Choose the question. Question number 1. Can you have question number 1 on the screen? Yes, listen to the question carefully. 3 persons A, B and C are standing in a queue. There are 5 persons between A and B. 8 persons between B and C. If there are 3 persons ahead of C and 21 behind of A. 3 ahead of C and 21 behind of A, then what could be the minimum number of person in the queue? Options are 27, 28, 40 and 41. Start the time. 3 persons ahead of C, 21 behind of A. Minimum number of person in the queue. You have to answer the minimum number of person of the queue. 5 persons between A and B, 8 persons between B and C. Option 27, 28, 40, 41. Is the correct answer. 28 is the correct answer. There is a plus 10 to group 3. The last, stop the timer, sir. Okay. The last question for group 4. Question number 2. Okay. Can we have question number 2? In a row of 40 girls, when Komal was shifted to her left by 4 places, her number from the left end of the row becomes 10. What was the number of Swati? From the right end of the row, if Swati was 3 places to the right of Komal's original position. Options are 22, 24, 25, 26. Start the time.
Option B, 24.
Very good. Option B, 24 is the correct answer. And the last question goes to the audience. Question number 4. In the following diagram, the square represents women, triangle represents corporate manager, circle represents MBAs. Which numbered parts represents women, MBA, corporate managers? Option A 3, B 5, C 8, D 13. Start the timer. Madam, please go to those who have not answered the question. Till.
3.
Option A. Option A is the correct one. So here students, we are at the end of the third group. Now we will go to the rapid fire round. Before we go to the rapid fire round, can we have the score please? The score of group 1 LRDAV is 35. Score of students, we are going to the rapid fire round. We want to give one. Okay sir, let us start. So all the best to all the students. Can change the total scenario of all the 3 rounds. The largest round, okay, but time constant. In this round, each question carries 5 marks. Total number of questions are 7. Time is 90 seconds. So within 90 seconds, you can answer as many as questions. If before 90 seconds you can finish 7 questions, well and fine. Otherwise, if the time will over, we have to stop. If you do not know any answer, without answering it, you can skip. So at the end, if the time will left, I will read the question once again. There is no negative mark, you can take a chance. Is it clear? There is no negative mark, you can take a chance. It depends on you whether you pass the question or answer. But remember, the time is very, very important. 90 seconds, 7 questions, each question 5 marks, total mark will be 35. So according to the number of correct answer, you are going to get the mark. If the answer is wrong or unanswered, it will be awarded as 0. Wrong, unanswered, awarded as 0. So time for elaborate. If the time is left, then only we can repeat. Yes.
Set 2.
We are not going to discuss the question here.
Set 2.
So time starts now. Since which year the Ramanujan Prize for Young Mathematician has been awarded every year?
2012.
Wrong. What is the sum of nth root of unity? Sum of nth root of unity?
1.
Wrong. What is the maximum value of 1 plus sine square theta dot cos square theta? Maximum value of 1 plus sine square theta dot cos square theta? Wrong. If 22/7 is taken as the approximate value of pi, at which place the decimal error arises? Correct answer. What is multiplied with natural log is converted to a common logarithm? What is multiplied when a natural log is converted to common logarithm?
2.303.
Correct. 1 pound equal to how much gram? 1 pound, how much gram?
Sir, how much gram?
Yes.
2100.
1 pound, how much gram?
2001.
Wrong. How many ways 8 letter can be dropped into 2 letter boxes? 8 letter can be dropped into 2 letter boxes. Last 10 seconds. 8 letter can be dropped in 2 letter boxes. Wrong.
56, sir. 56.
Time is over.
No, sir, 1 second was there, sir.
No, 56 is also not. Okay. So they have answered 2 questions correctly. So you are going to get only 10 marks. I know 2 questions correctly, I think. Okay, 2 questions correctly. Let me to put the tick mark. So you have got 2 questions correctly. So 10 mark is there. Now you tell me the set.
Set number 3.
Set number 3. Okay. So now we'll go to group 2. When I start the question, you start the timer. So your time starts now. Marcelo Vienna, the first young mathematician won Ramanujan Prize, belongs to which country?
Italy.
Wrong. Which is the product of nth root of unity? Product of nth root of unity. Product of pass. What is the period of sine phi theta? Period of sine phi theta.
2 pi by 5.
Correct. What is the study of measurement?
Geometry.
Wrong. What is the approximate value of E up to 3 decimal place? Value of E.
2.157.
Wrong. 1 US gallon is equal to how much liter? 1 gallon, how much liter? US gallon.
Pass.
How many different ways you can invite 1 or more friends on your birthday out of 6? You can invite 1 or more friends on your birthday out of 6.
Pass.
So you are having 2 more questions. Time is there. The first question is 1 US gallon is equal to how many liter? You can try. 19 seconds is there.
3 liters.
3.5.
5.
No. Last one. How many different ways you can invite 1 or more friends out of 6?
5.
Sorry, wrong answer. Only 1 correct answer is there. 1 correct answer. So there is a plus 5.
Excuse me, sir. Period of sine and phi theta.
Sine 5 theta. Correct. Correct. Next question is for group 3. Question number 1. And your time starts now. Who was the first Indian awarded Ramanujan Prize? First Indian. Pass. What is the value of omega to the power 729? One correct answer. What is the period of tangent function? Period of tangent function. By correct answer. In Roman number 1000 is represented by which letter? M. Correct answer. A shop advertises buy one get another at half price. Buy one get another at half price. So what is the net discount? Buy one get another at half price. Pass. In a day, how many times minute hand crosses the hour hand? Wrong. How many ways the letter of the word teacher can be rearranged? Teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Sorry. Okay. Stop. The last question is 7 questions I have had. So that buy one get one you want to answer. Buy one get another half price.
The last one.
Start. The last question is wrong. Start. Buy one get another at half price. No. Wrong. So you have made 3 questions correct. 15 mark plus 2. The last one. And your time starts now. Which Indian mathematician won Ramanujan Award in 2021? No. What is the name of the plane where complex numbers is represented? Or complex numbers are represented? Name of the plane? No. Which is larger, sin 44 degree or cos 44 degree? Wrong. Name the person who had defended Shakuntala Devi as the fastest human computer. Who defended Shakuntala Devi? 1 yard is equal to how much meter? 1 yard. 1 yard, how much meter?
14.
Yes? 14. Wrong. How many prime numbers are there between 10 and 100? Who ends with 7? Prime numbers between 10 and 100 ends with 7. Wrong. 5, correct. Okay, we are giving you the chance. How many different ways 8 beads of a necklace can be rearranged? How many different ways 8 beads of a necklace can be rearranged? No. So again, I am going to ask you the repeated questions. Indian mathematician won Ramanujan Award in 2021?
8 to the power 8.
No. Plane where complex numbers is represented, name of the plane? Who defended Shakuntala Devi? Sorry. So we are having one correct answer, that is 5 mark goes to you. So now students, we have come to the end, but still there is an exciting there is a tie between group 1 and group 2. Both have 45. The clear winner is group 3. So a huge round of applause. 75 marks. So how to break the tie? It is fastest speaker fast. Okay? If you choose and you are giving wrong answer, no, not negative. If you are you are giving wrong answer, then the other will be punished. If you are choosing the answer and you are giving the correct answer, you are the winner.
You ask one question to both. You ask one question to this group and
Sir, if there will be another tie, sir.
otherwise you give one question.
So my point is, suppose I will give you a series. What will be the term of the series? Some of the questions like that. But whoever will raise the hand, they have to tell the correct answer. If your answer is correct, you won. If your answer is wrong, you lose. Okay?
Wait. You take the opinion of the teachers.
Sir, what to do?
Take the opinion.
Any series. Or if again you all are the judges, suppose there will be again same, then we can go for another one series. Okay, sir? So I am going to a very easy series. This is a series where any term can be generated by adding its previous 2 terms, and the first 2 terms of the series are 0 and 1. Is it clear? Fibonacci series 1 and 1. Okay, fine. So the first 2 terms of the Fibonacci series are 1 and 1. Is it clear? The first 2 terms of the Fibonacci series are 1 and 1. And rest of the terms you know how to calculate. Okay? Question is, what is the 10th term of the Fibonacci series? 10th term of the Fibonacci series? Raise your hand. 10.
Sir, 55.
55. Let me to check. If it is correct, you own. Otherwise, you lose. So the next term will be 2.
55.
They have answered it previously. They have already answered. So 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 5, 8, 5 plus 8, 13, then 21, then 34, then 55. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 10th term of the Fibonacci series is a 55. There is a very healthy fight, but there is a very narrow difference. So, but there is a 2-second difference between you two. So, here we are giving plus 5 to group 1, and the score of group 1 is 50. So, now we have concluded the game or the quiz. The winner of this quiz is group 3, DLD Unit 8 with 75 points. Second is group 1, LRDAV with 50 points. Third one is DAVCS4 with 45 points. So I wish, and again I want to give my best wishes to DAV Kalinganagar also. They have tried their level best. So now here it is the end of the quiz. Sir.
So thank you very much, Neha sir. I think all the audience have enjoyed this quiz competition. There is a tiebreaker between CS School and LRDAV. Are you happy with this decision what the quiz master has taken, CS School?
Yes. Well, actually, the decision what I think is there should be instead of logical, there should be a set of 3 questions, like 1 logical, 1 analytical, and 1 general knowledge based. Only basis of
That option you cannot vote by yourself. That depends
that's
upon
what
the
I
quiz.
thought.
No, that you are thinking. You are thinking many things, but what the questions will come, that will be final. Okay, thank you. Thank you. But both CS School and LRDAV, they have done well. The first credit goes to the Unit 8. Undoubtedly, they have played very well. So they are deserved. So congratulations, the Unit 8. And LRDAV and CS School, you are equally good, but narrowly plus or minus like that. And you have also played well, Kalinganagar. So thank you very much. And I want to request our chief guest, Dr. Nityanand Senapati, to announce the winner of this day and share something from your experience.
Dear students, the first prize goes to DAV Public School Unit 8, Bhubaneswar, and the winners are Pratyush Kumar Swami, Standard 11, Varun Mishra, Standard 11. Second prize goes to LRDAV Public School, Kotak, and the winners are Orchit Ram, Standard 11, and Yashas Mohanty, Standard 11. And third prize goes to DAV Public School, Chandrasekharpur, Bhubaneswar, and the winners are Shubham Swapnanil Das, Standard 11, Supreet Datta, Standard 9. So I congratulate all the participants, including Kalinganagar DAV School, and also congratulate the winners, and I also last congratulate the Kalinganagar
because they have played the game and they will not get the prize, but they have played successfully. So, congratulate them. Thank you all.
First, we have Kalinganagar Group 4, Kalinganagar DAV Public School, Kalinganagar. They are being awarded by participation certificates. May I have the participants announced? Subham Swapnil Das and Ansupri Pratap. Congratulations. Congratulations. A huge round of applause for all of them. Now, we are having the second prize winners, that is Group 1, LRDAV Public School, Cuttack. May I have the participants on the stage? They are Architra, Yashaswini. Congratulations, students. Then we are having the first prize winner, that is Group 3, DAV Public School, Unit 8, Bhubaneswar. May I have the participants on the stage? May I have the participants' first prize on the stage? They are DAV Public School Unit 8 Bhubaneswar, Pratyush Kumar Swain, Standard 11, Barun Misra, Standard 11. Congratulations to the students. A huge round of applause for the students. Congratulations to all the participants. Once again, a huge round of applause for all the participants. Now I would like to request our esteemed principal sir to felicitate. Thank you, sir, for conducting the program so skillfully and in an organized way. I would like to have the pleasure of inviting respected Dr. Gobind Chandra Sarangi sir, PGT Mathematics, to propose the customary vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, students. All is well that ends in well. Am I correct? From very first I told you success is a journey, not a destination. So students, don't be disheartened. Winning is not everything. Definitely your participation is everything. So, as you know, sincerity never goes unrewarded. The people, the stakeholders, those are behind the success of this show. Definitely I should not forget to propose vote of thanks. First of all, I'd like to thank to work throughout the day to make our program more successful and enjoyable. Sir, from the core of my heart, we are really grateful to you and we are also obliged. At the outset, I like to thank to Mr. Niyaranjan Bhuyan, the teacher in charge, DAV Padmavati Tangi, from the core of my heart, that without him this show could not be made. What is it now? Next, the veteran mathematician, the outstanding personality, a dynamic guide, Sir, Reverend Principal of our school, Mr. Niranjan Swai, who has guided us so meticulously, by which we are able to conduct this program more successfully. The teachers of the school, those have the boosting behind us, who has guided us, the supervisors, including Manorama Madam, and all those senior teachers, those have guided to our department to make this so successful. Definitely, we are obliged before them. The expert teachers from the different schools of Bhubaneswar, they have contributed their valuable time by whose inspiration their children come here to present the show, to participate here. Definitely, they are the man who has contributed their time. We are really obliged. Students, participants, you know, your success is always a journey. So you go ahead on this specific event, on this special occasion. Our blessing is always behind you people. You carry on with your best performance in your future. So our show could not be more gorgeous. So the audience participants, please clap your hands for you. Because of you, the show could be more gorgeous and successful. Next, the IT personalities. Mr. valuable time 6 a week to prepare the question paper, to set everything. So, sir, really, we are grateful to you, madam. Thank you very much. And finally, the technical and non-technical staffs, all those, I ask you, whoever, those are actively, directly or indirectly involved to make this so successful, to arrange everything, light, mic, etc., tent house. We are really thankful for you. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.